formerly known as the Indian River Festival, the 37th running of the Space Walk of Fame 8K starts on Indian River Avenue in front of the Gemini Monument. The course starts out heading south on Indian River Avenue. The 8K course is a modified 2-loop course. It's a short 2-mile loop on the first loop and a 3-mile loop for the second loop. The 2-miler is 1 loop, and when we get back to Broad Street, the 2-milers will make a right-hand turn and the 8K runners will make a U-turn heading back out on the course. And we'll point that out when we get there. Approaching Grace Street. That's Grace. We're making a left-hand turn going towards the river. And then we're going to make a left-hand turn on Riverside. You can see the Max Brewer Bridge off to the right. Riverside has an automatic turn onto St. John's, and then we turn right back onto Indian River Avenue. With the 2-milers, you're heading towards the finish line. 8K again, you'll be making a U-turn. For the 2-milers, once you make that turn, you'll be at 1.97 miles. Okay, back there, again, 2-milers, you made a right-hand turn. 8K people, you're just passing the 2-mile mark right here. And I forgot to mention at the 1-mile mark for the 8K and the 2-milers, the 1-mile mark was right after you turn left onto Riverside. we're approaching Grace Street for the second time, but you do not turn on the second loop. You go straight, going towards Bayview. You'll be making a left-hand turn on Bayview. You just turn left on Bayview and turning right on Riverside. We have a U-turn coming up. You see a fire hydrant off to your left. That's actually the turnaround point. It's right here. Now you're heading north, going back towards the finish line. And I forgot to mention where the 3-mile mark was. If you remember, maybe about 150, 200 yards prior to turning left on Bayview, that was a 3-mile mark. You can't see it in this video, but the vehicle assembly building is off to your right on Kennedy Space Center. And we're at the 4-mile mark right there. We just passed Grace, and that is the 4-mile mark. And again, St. John's will have an automatic turn to the left, and then will be a right turn back onto Indian River Avenue. And now we're turning right. You're a half mile to the finish. Right-hand turn is coming up. And the finish line is straight ahead. Right there.